So today we are going to explain the bonding and show the bond formation by the overlapping of atomic orbitals by using valence bond theory. The basic principle of valence bond theory is that the covalent bond forms when the orbitals of two atoms overlap and a pair of electrons occupy the overlap region. So have a look at the first example. So we have the hydrogen molecules. The valence orbital diagram at ground state for the hydrogen is 1s. So for the first hydrogen atom, in the 1s orbital we have 1 electron. For another hydrogen atom, also we have 1 electron in 1s orbital. So each of hydrogen atoms have 1 unpaired electron. So it will form one bond with each other when the orbitals overlap. To show the orbital overlap, so remember in chapter 2, the shape for 1s orbital is sphere. So this one is for the first hydrogen, 1s orbital. In this orbital we have 1 electron. For another hydrogen atom, also sphere, 1s orbital with 1 electron. After these two orbitals overlap, we will get this. So the sigma covalent between the hydrogen and hydrogen bond formed by the overlapping of the 1s orbital of two hydrogen atoms and 2n. Another example is for chlorine molecules. The valence orbital diagram at ground state for each chlorine atoms is 3s2 and 3p5. So if you look at the valence orbital diagram, each chlorine atoms have 1 unpaired electron. Thus, it can form one bond with each other when the orbitals overlap. So, to show the orbital overlap, the 3p shape is dumbbell. So, draw the dumbbell for each chlorine atom. So, each atom have 1 single electron. After these two orbitals overlap, we will get a sigma covalent bond between the two chlorine atoms formed by the overlapping of the 3p orbitals of these atoms N2 and. Next, have a look at the hydrogen chloride molecules. So the valence orbital diagram for both atoms at ground state, for hydrogen we have 1s1, and then for chlorine we have 3s2 and 3p5. So here we can see that each hydrogen and chlorine atoms have 1 unpaired electron. Thus, when these two atoms overlap with each other, we will get one bond. So to show the orbitals overlap, hydrogen is sphere, and for chlorine we have 3p orbitals. Each orbital consists of 1 unpaired electron. So after these two orbitals overlap, we can see the sigma covalent between the hydrogen and chlorine bond formed by the overlapping of the 1s orbital of hydrogen atoms with 3p orbitals of chlorine atom and 2n. So that's it.